My name is Kiche. I'm reading in class 6. My school name is Genetic Nagaland. Richard Bharat Balteton 2025. My team is Samrit Bharat. My topic is local community problem. Problem statement. Our local community is facing a major issue of improper plastic waste in management, leading to environment pollution, drainage, blockage, and poor problem. No proper systems of solid waste collections and disposals. People habitually burn and dump plastic in open areas. Lack of local recycling poor awareness about the harmful effects of plastics. All are facing this problem. Interior or rural community, farmers, students, animals, and birds, environment, and nearby water sources. Explanations of the solutions. How it works. Door-to-door waste collections. Each household will separate plastics and waste. Village plastics bins. All collected plastics will be disposed at the center point. Thank you, everyone.